Watch out, people. Drive in. Watch there. Drive in. Oh, God. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here. Franklin Stories again. As you can see, people, me in a bit of a rush. So today's episode is me have to try and escape 5 stars, people. Hello, guys. What go on in that place? Escape 5 star. So me see this in the comment section. Say get 5 star with Franklin and escape, and adapt me I do today. Yeah, 5 star I forgot escape. Before me can actually end the video. It's gonna be hard. Let me try. Need a faster car. Quick. Alright, I'm gonna show now so I can drive, people. I'm gonna prove myself in another video so I can drive. So let's go. 5 star. After me. See them there? Alright, hold on. Let me take this. Quick. Jump in. Quick. Alright, take this. Don't think we can escape the 5 star in this, but I have to go try it anyway. Turn on, man. Watch out! Oh gosh! Quick. So yeah, I have this now. I'm gonna prove to you that I can drive. I can drive a little bit. So you can come off of my case. I have a helicopter after me. I have all of the people after me. So I have to go try and escape that 5 star. Yeah. So let's go. Watch it, youth. We need a faster car though. We need a faster car for real. We do need a faster car for true. Come on. Oh, police are trying for me. You're not getting no chance. Your favor, idiot. Lick up to the ratted. So people, if you like the video, please leave a like on the video. We're not gonna get a shout out in another one, yeah, because straight after me record the last video, which was Officer Brown Part 2, and straight away me record that one, and straight away me not itch the record. So yeah, I'm not gonna get a shout out in another one, but big up everybody who comment, everybody who like, big up everybody who do them thing. Big up on yourself. Me think need a faster car still now. I don't need a faster car because them car are not going to really too rare. Okay, so. Okay, we can lose a loser. Who no lose? Me a lose? Look at me a lose too, no? No outside. Watch out. You need a faster car. No faster car there, sir? Nope. You need a faster car. People. But alone can help me right now. Watch out. Police back on me. Helicopter back on me. I'm sorry, sir. Ooh. Yeah, this too big and heavy. This was a bad idea to get the car. Really and truly. We need something faster than this. Bring back up there. Bring the back up forward and forward. I don't know if you do. Back up. As much back up as I want me to escape from you. Today. I'm sure the people something. But it's hard to control, dog. Like really hard to control. I don't can keep going for them car there. Come. Get out of the way. Watch it. Oh, no. Don't kill me. Get a car. Quick.
That is more stupid than an invincible traffic light.
People. No, this not gonna work. Jump over there. Alright. I'm trying to do it on foot, people, cause we can't do this one. We can't get a good car. People, yo. People, we need to get a car. Hold on, helicopter there. Get a chance. Come on, quick. Need a car. Yes, you will get a car. Yes, dead. Oh, no. Watch it. Watch it. Fire. Fire that most you don't think a cool breeze. Alright, let's go. Not the siren. Oh, I'm gonna get a flat tire. People have a flat tire. I have a flat tire, people. I have a flat tire. But I'm gonna try and escape. No, I'm tired of the flat. I'm good, man. Yeah, my front tire flat. Ooh! I'm gonna show you something. I can do this. I'm gonna stop. Ah! People, this is not my fault. This is not my fault. Like, we need a car. We need a good 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 car. Watch out, people. May I escape them already? Ah! Quick, 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 quick. We need a car. We need a good car, though. One have a flat tire. No car in here. No car in here. No car in here. No car in here. No car. Drop this. Drop this, people. I carry all for control. I carry all for control, people. No car up here. Oh, my cup is for nothing. Really? No car? That's not fair. This not fair. Alright, here I go. I'm gonna come out for that building, bro. Come for the roof here. Alright, come for the car. Alright, see a carrier. Oh, look for the carrier! Quick, 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 quick. Quick! Open the door, man! I want you! Quick, 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 quick! Reverse! Come on, come, come, come. Yes, my bullet just fly past me. Alright, I'm a good guy now. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now let's show us how we can do this. Watch this. Look at my escape. 5-star. Oh! Oh no, that's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny now. Boom, boss a leg. Oh. People, I need to prove to us that I can drive, you know. Because when I kill me, so I can't drive, you know.
Okay.
I need to prove to us that I can. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Police officer. What's alright? Look there. Shoot the construction site. Oh, dead end. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm coming as a one. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Hands up, that fool. Hands up, where? Eh? Where them got? Where them got? Watch it. Oh, hands up. Right. Hands up, where? Fire for you. Turn around. Get my carrier, man. Cause this is a nice game. I like the car. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bye. Ooh. Oh! Oh! What am I shooting up my tire, man? Watch it. You shoot up my tire? Forward enough, people. Go for yourself, go for yourself. Oh, sorry, no man. Sorry, no man. Where's my tire? Go for yourself, go for yourself, go for yourself, go for yourself, go for yourself.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Up there, up there, up there, up there. Whoa! 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 Ada nggak saut? Ada nggak saut? Yes, 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 yes. Quick, 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 quick. Watch it! 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 Come! Boss the guy win on the money. Win the money! Quick, 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 quick! What shoot the tire? Oh God! I'm gonna shoot the tire! I'm gonna shoot the tire, dog! Oh, my tire get shot. Tire get shot. Tire get shot. Yeah, typical. Tire get shot. Tire get shot. Alright, people, we need a next car. We need a next car. Really, really, really need a next car. Really, really, really need a next car. Then match up the car after me, people. Lock off the music. Come on, come on, come on. Get the next car. Get the next car, dog. Carry on. Watch out. Yo, yo, yo. Me can't control the carrier. Quick, 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 quick. Watch out, man. Oh man! Oh no 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 no! No going there! All right, people, jump on! All right, jump on the car! Quick! All right, get to this car! Get the police car! All right, come! All right, roll back up this up! All right, watch this! Yeah! Watch it now! Yo, 5-star hard! Fit thing there, dog! 5-star not easy, yo. 5-star not easy with that. 5-star not easy, dog. Watch it. Yo, want me to tell you? Boss or something? I tell you, boss, man.
You asshole! My car, man!
Tell the boss, I'm not drive, son. Yo, jump out.
Music!
jump out. Quick. Come here, son. Quick. Not carry now. What a nice car. Quick, give me a nice car. Can you take that one, yeah? Alright, I'm gonna take that one. Shoot through the glass. Alright, quick. Alright, start. Boy, them after me, you know. Reverse. Alright. Hold on. Alright. Oh, them in here, people. Them in here. A police that. Drive the tower, go. I can't police drive the tower, go. Come down. You need to escape them. You need to escape them, people here. Quick. Wanna change shot? Yeah. Come on. There we are. Come on. You need to escape them. We need to escape them. Come on. Don't crash. Come on. Helicopter alone the Pamatila now. No. That block. Watch out, people. Drive in. Watch there. Drive in. Oh, God. Okay. This not funny now. Alright. Try left the area. Uh-oh. No, boy, pass up. Oh, God. I'm trapped, you know. I'm trapped, though. See him there? Yo, 5-star. Go on, where you go, man. Yo, 5-star. Go on, where you go. Yo. Watch out. Look where you go next time. Any cats alone, man? You couldn't make that and control it now, you. God, no. Ooh. Oh! Brace yourself. Alright. Quick. Alright, I'm tell them. Tell them still good. Alright, yeah, that's all I need. Tell them I need. Come on, let's go. Police roadblock up and so. You need to come off of the area again. Watch it. Know yourself. Come on, give me a break. Alright, yeah. Don't look. Oh, God, look up at that tree. Quick. Quick, people, quick. We need the next car. That car will blow up. Yo. Come on. Stop skidding, man. I don't want to look at car there, man. Come on, some way. Where me I go? Dead end. Oh, God, where me coming at dead end for? I'm coming at dead end for. I can use a person and get a car. I need a car. I'm dead end, you know. Alright, car up, enough car up. Whoa, see that? See that, people? See that now? Come on. Look at the glass. You're not to carry what all this time.
I would like you really to go home and practice.
Quick now, man, don't shoot me tire. Please don't shoot me tire. Need to escape from under this. Alright, ready? Whoa! What happened to my tire box already? No, this not funny at all. We need a car with good tire to escape from them, boy. Oh gosh, it's hard to escape with no tire, dog. Yo! I have a tire problem. Now this. Come back with that one now. Run. Jump out of my yacht. Go. Quick. Carry our. Oh, that's nice. Come on. Don't shoot my tire. Please don't shoot my tire. No, please don't shoot my tire. Not yet. Don't shoot my tire now. People. Don't shoot my tire now, people. Don't shoot my tire. Ooh! Don't shoot. Come on, over there. Oh. See you later, guys. Bye. Reverse. Come. Ooh. Oh, quick. You still have a tie them, dog. You still have a chance. You have a tie them. Quick. Ooh. Watch it. No, go straight. Go straight. Left of my road. Left them a road. Left them a road. Take a left. Come off the road. And them boy a group up there so like me a idiot. I'm have to come off road now. Off road the helicopter you hard to lose. Oh, them shoot me tire. Now. Tire get shot. People. They got hard to escape them now. Ooh. Cross country. Ooh. And the one we got the boy them there. Watch it fence. Who put it there so? Helicopter hard in the man. Yo, me tire man, me tire. Get a skid, yo. Watch out. People, I'm a carry a skid, and I'm me.
That is not correct.
Like, he gonna carry a suit them with the off-road, which me know that, but tire, them a give me a one time. Dear, sorry dear. Watch it. Over there. Oh! Yes, I'm assaulted. Watch it there. Yo. Come on. Let me go. Helicopter them left on me now. Alright, what am I gonna try though? Stop and take out two of them helicopter here and keep driving. Cause them helicopter they are not going to give me a break. See there? They are gone now. Back to your gone now too. If you try and get rid of them helicopter here now. Over there. Quick. Ooh. Alright. Easy. Alright, take out the helicopter. Jump out, no man, youth! Helicopter, go on. Miss. Watch it. The next one there. The next chopper there. Ready to go. Lick him. Quick. Lick him. Yes, alright. Watch it. Watch it. Take yourself. What a car there? Give me a car. Why don't you give me a car? So the aim of the game is to escape, not to die now. To escape. As you can see, me am mad. So the aim of the game is to escape the stardom, not to die. So me put on invincibility, so me can't die. For those who wonder say why me can't dead, me put on invincibility, so me can't dead. So me need to escape them. That's the aim of the game, to escape. So I can go off road and go up, way up. Up there. Alright. Go off road, we might stand a chance if we can blow them helicopter you up so we might stand a chance, people. Oh, okay. Alright, we reach up as about. Oh god. Rocket launcher, where there? Watch it. Come again. Lick him! Alright, him dead. You missed that!
Hennessy, you ain't gotta keep asking. That's what he drink on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, his birthday, Jesus' birthday, Hennessy.
Stop, drop, roll. Aim. Shoot. Yeah. Come on, man, it's too long, man. Alright, let's go. Quick, man! Quick. Go. Dead body. Hello, bye. Come. Over there. Hold on. We gotta take a bicycle. No, we don't have a bicycle. We don't have a bicycle. That's going to be too hard. Yo, which one can go for escape them people there? That one, no. Which one can go for escape them people there? Which one can go? Alright, now does the chopper them alone there for me, no dog. I mean, if you lose the chopper them. Alright. Alright, I know exactly which one I go. I'm going to lose them chopper here in the underground tunnel. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, reverse. Go on, go. What's your man? Who am I go police car in the back? Easy now. You don't need car. Come on, sir. I need a car. Police business. Well, Franklin business. Quick. Alright. Yo, I need something to escape them boy from that. Are they thing that the problem enough? Helicopter them are the problem, people. If you like the video, people, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. Yes, come on. Let's go. Outside the road. Oh, we are coming over so far. Oh, fast car. Oh, fast car. Run over by me. So the helicopter them nah left me now. And everywhere we go is like the police them call up more. Watch out. Yo, watch it. Yo. Quick. Come on. Alright, boy, I'm there, so. Alright, let me go. Bye. LSPD, go on, go, man. You can't hold me again. Quick. Reach on there. Less than a mile left. Come on. Can reach it. Oh. Watch it, man. Oh, not shoot. You can shoot, man. I'm too now. Know yourself. Watch it, police. Pull over, way. Go on, look at my friend. Pull over. You for pull over. Big idiot. You big like you bad like me? Oh, wrong place. I'm going. Alright, go up, sir. Same, man. Police, I'm line up back at me now. Ready for kill, you know? Yo, guess what? I guess I'm not going to do right now. Go jump off here, sir. Come, jump on. Oh! Parachute now go save you, boy. Quick. Alright, take out the helicopter and go in the tunnel. Quick. See the tunnel across, sir? No. Water. Wait, helicopter there. When? They're right over my head and I do. You know if you do that. Go figure away. Come again. Go up in it. You miss. Alright then. Whoa, bicycle. Hello, Mr. Bicycle. Jump on the bicycle. Bicycle, mash up. Oh, bicycle, they have no wheel and you want to jump up. Idiot, man. Run. Leave me alone, man. Leave me alone. Oh, the wrong tunnel list, you know. On the right tunnel list, you know. On the wrong tunnel list. The right one? Oh, chain one. Yeah, that can do. Oh! That'd be nice if we could jump on the chain. Come. Quick. Yes, you're gonna escape them, people. This video is not a very long video, as you can see. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Please comment down below. Let me know what ideas you have and what ideas you want me to do. Please also, guys, follow me on Instagram. The Instagram name is right above the screen on the right hand side. See it there? You see it? Yeah. Follow that Instagram page there. Enough time me go live over there. Me interact with the subscribers them, the family them. Me go live over there nearly every weekend. I may chat to them. Me send them credit. You know. So over there, so we do all interaction pan. Obviously we can't interact pan YouTube unless me go live, which me not ready to go live yet. So follow me on Instagram and then you can DM me and ask me questions and whatever. You understand? So make sure you go over there, go follow the page. So people, the star of flash. Look at me, I get it from them. Let me go up at the top, come in I go bottom. Franklin, you run to dog. Run straight now, brother. You run lean up, dog. So people, as you can see the star of flash, I think me escape from the police then finally. Never think me could have do it. But me do it. So yeah, if you love the video, please leave a like on the video. Take a rest. Alright. I can't lose some police here, man. I walk back. How do I talk? How do I talk to? How you talk to? Who you talk to? So we can't lose them star yet, man. Star go on, man. So people, alright, but we just lose the star them. So we go there now. So people, this is where I'm gonna end the video on the underground. So if you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Come on for that. Our break time for me. Please subscribe around here if you're new. Oh, them run me down. Where I go? Go back up your friend. Please subscribe around. Oh! 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 Move! Oh yeah! Oh! 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 Bam! Bam! Know yourself. Please subscribe around here if you're new, like I say. And also please follow me over on the Instagram page. So until next time, people, I will see you when I see you. Franklin Escape 5-star. Yo, my bad. Bad me bad, guys. Bad me bad. Hey, bad me. Bad me bad. The police. What me say if you do?